Hey, what's up, guys? Wanted to make a video today sharing with you 5 awareness niches that are going to start to be trending in September. Right now, it's the beginning of August, so this is the perfect time to get your designs up. And these awareness niches are good because, for the most part, all of them are very low in competition, and so it's going to be easier for you to get eyeballs on them when there's not a whole bunch of competition. So let's go ahead and take a look at the first one. So the first one is one that you probably haven't heard of, and the niche is, I can't even say the word, but it's hydrolysis right here, awareness. And you're going to see that there's very little competition. Let me just scroll out here. There's only 683 results. If we go to Google, we will see that right here, September is Hydrocephalus Awareness Month. So you want to get your designs up for this. Now, some of these, diseases, cancer syndromes, you have to do a little research on them to see what the actual disease is, because this could just be for like children. So, on some of these, you want to make sure that the kids are selected. Some of them are just for men, some of them are just for women. So you have to do a little research. I've done very well in these awareness niches. A good tip is to make them very specific or cross niche them with any type of demographic. So like, mom, dad, son, daughter, grandma, grandpa, wife, husband, etc. That's going to make it very specific, and it's also a good way to niche down in this niche that's already low in competition, just so you can stand out a little bit more. So this is the first one. It's hydrocephalus. Again, I'm totally butchering that name, but you can just pause the video and type this into Google or into Amazon to get a look at the niche. Okay, now the second one is going to be the suicide prevention awareness. That's the keyword. If we go to Google, we will see that September is Suicide Prevention Awareness Month. And if we go back to Amazon, we're going to see there's very little competition, only 175 results. The colors for this awareness niche are teal and purple. So that's what you want to design for. Now, some of the, if you like your life matters, or I have time to talk, you just want to double check, because some of these phrases can be trademarked. I think your life matters is trademarked. If you have time to talk, I think is is okay to use, but just double check. But this is the niche right here, is the suicide awareness niche. So that's the second one. And then the third one is going to be, I think it's drug overdose. Yeah, so drug overdose. Now, this one actually falls on the last day of August. If we go to Google, we will see right here that it says the highlighted International Overdose Awareness Day is a global event held on the 31st of August. So right before, the first day of September. I've done very well in this niche as well, mainly on Etsy. You can do customized or personalized niches or designs on Etsy. So, you want to make sure that these designs, you're not just putting up on merch, but you're putting on all the print-on-demand platforms. So that's the third one, is the drug overdose awareness. Now, for this one, for merch, you probably don't want to do anything with the kids, so just make sure that the youth sizes or shirts are not selected. And then let's take a look at the, let's see, what is it, the fourth one? The fourth one is going to be Alzheimer's awareness. You can see here there's only 259 results for that keyword. And if we go to Google, we will see that now it's actual, where is it? June is the actual awareness month for Alzheimer's. But if we go down here, we will see that there's an actual day for World Alzheimer's Day. It's celebrated on September 21st. Right, so that's why I chose this one for September as well. Again, low competition. The color for the rainbow, the color for the ribbon is, I believe, purple. And this is really good. Now, again, you don't want to cross niche this with kids, because obviously kids don't get Alzheimer's, but definitely want to do it for grandma, grandpa, wife, husband, mom, dad, things like that. Those are good niches to cross niche it with. You can see here people are using sunflowers, the messy bun, ribbons. You can get some good ideas. Don't do an exact copy. Just try and come up with something similar, or even better, very unique. And let's take a look at the last one that I have for you guys today, and it is then the alopecia. I think I'm saying that right. Alopecia is for when women go bald, basically. If you remember when Will Smith smacked, what's his name, Chris Rock on the Oscars, because Chris Rock was making fun of his wife for the disease, or the whatever the syndrome that she had, which which is alopecia. And so it's a blue ribbon for that. We're going to see the competition, only 110. And honestly, when I was looking here, I barely saw anything that's actually for it. So here's one right here, here's two, but the majority of them, there was very little competition. And if we go to, let's see, what was it? Google right here, we'll see that September is Alopecia Awareness Month. All right, so all of these niches will do very well in September. You want to get your designs up now early so that you can take advantage of these niches, because they're going to be trending. You're going to see the closer we get to September, and all through September, you're going to see the BSRs are going to start to go down. See this every year. So go ahead and get those designs up. Use Vexels to find some ribbons. I just typed in cancer ribbon here. You can download these, and then you could change the color. So like maybe for like a suicide one, you could take this one and you can make the actual ribbon teal and then the wings purple, for example. I have an affiliate link in the description if you're interested. And then make sure you put all the designs across every platform, right? Etsy, Redbubble, TeePublic, Spreadshirt, places like that. All right, so that's basically, those are the 5 niches that I want to share with you today. I couldn't find anything trending, so I figured I'd make a video like this where I show you 5 awareness niches for September. But yeah, these should do very well. So get your designs up, put them all across all platforms, and hopefully you get a lot of sales. Okay, thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.